This is going to be a video tutorial on how to update all apps at once using the terminal in Kali Linux. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To update all of your apps at once using the terminal, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is open up the terminal. I'm going to go up to the top up here, up to my little terminal icon. I'm going to click on that. Then in the terminal, I'm going to type sudo apt update. I'm going to hit enter. It asks me for my password. I'm going to type in my password. I'm going to hit enter. And what this is doing, it's going through all your packages to see if there's anything that can be updated. It may take a few seconds. It says 42 of my packages can be upgraded. So I'm going to now type sudo apt upgrade. I'm going to hit enter. Now it's asking me, do I want to continue? Yes or no. I'm going to type Y for yes. I'm going to hit enter. And now, depending on the speed of your computer and depending on how many updates you need to do, it may take a few seconds, like mine just took a few seconds. It could take a few minutes. It just depends. But that is how you update all of your apps at once using the terminal in Kali Linux. Thanks for watching.